In a world where whispers paint colors, a curious mind asked, "How do we hear the unseen?" The wise replied, "Close your eyes and listen to the colors of silence." As the wind danced through the trees, it sang tales of distant lands. A child giggled, "I hear the stars twinkle." The river murmured secrets of the earth, while the mountains echoed ancient songs. "Listen," said the heart, "for every sound is a story waiting to be heard." And so they learned that hearing was not just with ears, but with the soul.